Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily view your Facebook primary location. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook application on your device. Once you log in, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll below to go to settings and privacy. Then after click on settings again. Scroll below until you see the option of your information. Then click on access your information. Click on continue. After that in the next page, click on logged in information. Then after you will see the option of primary location and once you click on it, at the top you will be able to see your primary location. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.